Today we will do class 7th, chapter number 2, force and pressure. First, motion. What is motion? The object which change their position with time are said to be motion, and the object which do not change their position with time are said to be at rest. State of rest and motion are related to each other. This we can understand with the help of our example. Suppose two passengers, they are sitting inside a train compartment. Here passenger A is there, here passenger B is there, right? So we can say these two passengers are in state of rest with respect to each other. But when we see outside the window, then these two passengers are in state of motion with respect to each other. Here this is the expression. The example shows that the same object may be at rest with respect to one reference point and in motion with respect to another reference point. So we can say that motion is actually a relative motion, and the state of rest and motion are relative. Now, type of motion. First motion is your translatory motion. Its type is linear motion, circular motion, random motion. Second is your rotatory motion. Third is your rolling motion, and fourth is repetitive periodic motion or non-periodic motion, and last is your oscillatory and vibratory motion. First, translatory motion. The motion in which a body move as a whole and every point on it move the same distance. Translatory motion are a linear motion, curvilinear motion, and random motion. Now first, linear motion. Linear motion means anything which travel in a straight line is called linear motion. Linear motion is also known as rectilinear motion. Example, a car moving on a road is your linear motion. A firing of a bullet from gun is your linear motion. A stone drop from a height is your linear motion. Next is your curvilinear motion. Anything which move in a curved path is known as curvilinear motion. So you can see when you rotate a thing, it is a curvilinear motion. A car moving on a curved road is your curvilinear motion. Next, random motion, and anything which move in random direction, right? We can take random direction. Example, we can say motion of fly, or even motion of playing of football, hockey, या movement of an ant, जो आपकी चींटियाँ चलती हैं, right? They goes in random motion. Now, second is your rotatory motion. Anything which keep on revolving, right? They have a fixed, right? They can rotate. It's known as rotatory motion. They have a fixed axis. It means suppose you are having a fan. Fan has 3 wings and it's a fixed point. It's fixed at the top. This is known as rotatory motion. You can see in the potter wheel, right? A fixed point is here and it keep on rotating. It is known as rotator. Your example of rotatory motion are spinning top, a merry-go-round, rotation of earth about its axis, movement of blades, and a potter wheel. Next, rolling motion. Rolling means anything which rolls down, right? Example, आपका motion of a cylinder it rolls down on an inclined plane. Motion of a bicycle wheels it rolls, and movement of a drill. Now, periodic motion. Periodic motion means a motion which repeat after a regular interval of time. Suppose you can see the motion of moon around the earth. You can see moon, it is earth and then the moon. The moon keep on revolving around the earth. This is known as motion of moon around the earth is known as periodic motion after a particular time. Similarly, motion of earth around the sun. We know the earth keep on revolving around the sun in a fixed. This is a periodic motion. Day and night it is a periodic motion. Heartbeat is a periodic motion, and which do not repeat after a regular interval, right? जो repeat नहीं करते उनको हम non periodic motion कहते हैं. Example जैसे कि आपका we can say earthquake. Now next part is your oscillatory and vibratory motion. Oscillatory means to and fro. You can see this swing, the to and fro, it keep on going to and fro, right? This is known as oscillatory motion. The to and fro motion of a body on the same path is called oscillatory motion. a motion of a pendulum, example are a child on a swing, a motion of a heart muscle of a healthy person. Vibratory motion, small and rapid small vibration, small oscillation are called vibration. Example we can say आपके the string of guitar, vibration string. Now multiple motion, right? In some cases there are more than one motion are shown, that is known as multiple motion. Example, drawing water from well, right? Drawing water from well. You can see here a bucket coming upward in translating motion. Bucket is coming upward, it is your translating motion. The pulley poses rotatory motion. Pulley, it is rotating, and the bucket, it is lifted upside, it is translatory motion. Second, spinning of bowling. A spin bowled cricket ball has rotatory and translatory motion. When spin bowling na, when you ball, it travel a straight line. When it hit the ground, it turn its position. Then it is rotatory also, and it is a translatory also. Drilling machine, a drilling machine use both translatory and rotatory motion. You have seen a drilling machine, right? When we use it, it goes inside and it keep on rotating. This is your rotating motion as well as translatory motion. Earth while revolving around the sun poses both translatory, right, as well as rotated due to spinning on Earth, right? You know, Earth is here, sun is here. Earth keep on rotating around the sun, right, and Earth also revolve around its axis. Now here non-periodic motion, which do not repeat itself after a regular interval of time, are known as non-periodic motion. Example, motion of tides, applying brake to a moving vehicle, swaying branches of a tree, batsman running between the wickets. Now next is your distance. Distance travel, there are two things, one is distance and other is displacement. Distance is your actual distance traveled by the person, yet distance is actual length. Suppose a point, we can say, let's take a point A, here point B, right? The actual length between A and B is known as distance. Here we can say this is a definition of distance. The actual length of a path travel is known as distance. If you can take the example of this figure, A to D, the total distance will be 1 kilometer plus 1, 2 kilometer, then 1.5 kilometer. It is 3.5 kilometer. And the formula for distance is distance is equal to speed into time, right? And here now distance is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity are those quantity which has unit as well as magnitude. Now speed is defined as a distance travel in a certain upon time interval, and the formula for speed is equal to d upon t, and the unit of speed is SI unit is meter per second. डिस्टेंस की SI यूनिट आपकी मीटर होती है, टाइम की SI यूनिट आपकी सेकंड होती है, राइट? तो स्पीड की यूनिट बन जाएगी डिस्टेंस अपॉन ये तो डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम फॉर्मूला हो गया. डिस्टेंस की यूनिट मीटर और टाइम की यूनिट सेकंड, देन इट बिकम मीटर पर सेकंड. ये इट इज रिटन हियर मीटर पर सेकंड, राइट? वी कैन राइट मीटर अपॉन सेकंड, दिस इज मीटर पर सेकंड. और अगर हम एस को ऊपर लेके जाते हैं तो इट बिकम m-1. वी कैन राइट दिस फॉर्म ऑल्सो. Now this is an example. We can say a car travel 188 kilometer and time is 1.5 hours. Calculate speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. डिस्टेंस कितना है 88 है, टाइम कितना है 1.5 है, डिवाइड करो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. एग्जाम्पल नंबर सेकंड, अ डिस्टेंस इज 10 मीटर एंड टाइम इज 4 सेकेंड. Apply the formula 10/4, your answer will be, but 10/4 answer is your, you can see here, it is here. Now uniform motion. Next is uniform motion. A body is said to be uniform motion when it travel equal distance in equal interval of time. It means suppose there are two positions A and B. Suppose a person is going राइट. तो फर्स्ट आवर में पर्सन हैज ट्रेवल 10 किलोमीटर, देन इन सेकेंड आवर अगेन ही ट्रेवल 10 किलोमीटर एंड थर्ड आवर ही ट्रेवल 10 किलोमीटर. यानी कि पहले घंटे में उसने 10 किलोमीटर चला, फिर जो सेकेंड आवर था उसमें भी उसने कितना चला, 10 किलोमीटर चला, थर्ड में भी कितना चला, 10 किलोमीटर चला. तो इट मीन्स इट ट्रैवल इक्वल डिस्टेंस इन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम. द मीन्स आपका इक्वल इंटरवल कितना टाइम का, 1 घंटा है, और उसमें कितना चला, 10 किलोमीटर. सेम 10 किलोमीटर, 10 किलोमीटर एंड 10 किलोमीटर. तो दिस इज नोन एज यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. यू कैन सी इन डायग्राम ऑल्सो. Starting from 0, right, a person traveled 10 meter in 1 second. Again, next 1 second he traveled 10 meter. Next 1 second he traveled 10 meter, and next 1 second he traveled 10 meter. So a body is said to inform motion when it travel equal interval in equal distance in equal interval of time. Motion, non-uniform motion is that motion in which a body travel unequal distance in equal interval of time. It means, suppose, right, here 0 distance, let it should be 1 second. फर्स्ट 1 सेकेंड में वो 10 मीटर चला, सेकेंड 1 सेकेंड में वो 5 चला, एंड थर्ड में वो 4 चला. तो आपका डिस्टेंस क्या है, दे आर डिफरेंट, बट टाइम क्या है, एक एक सेकेंड का गैप है, एंड आपका डिस्टेंस क्या है, दे आर अनइक्वल. तो दिस इज नोन एज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. Here you can see the figure, it is given here. From 0 to 1 second it travel 1 meter, from 1 से 2 second it travel 2 meter, 2 से 3 second travel 1.5 meter, and 3 second से लेकर 4 second तक travel 3.5 meter. In all the gap, the time gap is equal but the distance is unequal. This is known as non-uniform motion. Calculate average speed. What is average speed? Average speed is the total distance. Total distance upon total time is known as average speed. Right, this is the formula of average speed, total distance upon total time, and the unit will be remain same, meter per second. This is the difference between average speed and. Now you can see the example here. A bicycle moving with a speed of 18 km per hour. A fast runner with a speed of 7 meter per second, and third, a car with a speed of 2000 meter per minute. You can see in all three the unit are different. First, change into a common unit, right? If you want to change 18 km per hour into meter per second, you can see here what they have done. 18 km per hour यानी 8 किलोमीटर को चेंज किया किस में, मीटर में, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000. 1 आवर को चेंज किया सेकेंड में, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 60 इंटू 60 यानी 3600. सॉल्व दिस पार्ट, आपका कितना बन गया, 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट ये मीटर पर सेकेंड में ही है, एंड थर्ड पार्ट स्पीड ऑफ कार इज 2000 मीटर अपॉन 1 मिनट. मीटर को चेंज करो, मीटर को तो मीटर रहने देना, और मिनट को चेंज करो सेकेंड में, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 60. नाउ इट बिकम 33 पॉइंट मीटर पर सेकेंड. नाउ द इन ऑल थ्री केसेज द यूनिट आर सेम. Now we can compare which one is greater. ये 5 है, ये 7 है, ये 33 है. Then we can compare that. आपका 5 is smaller than 7, then 33 is greater. This is your answer, increasing order. Now next example is here. A car traveled 30 km at uniform speed 40 km, and next 30 km at uniform speed 20 km. Right, find the average speed. First we will find total distance. पहला आपका क्या है, T1 मान लिया, राइट. डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड 30/40 3/4 आवर्स हो गया. सेकेंड डिस्टेंस कितना है, 30 है, और स्पीड कितनी लगाई 20 है, तो टाइम कितना बन गया 3/2 आवर्स. नाउ टोटल टाइम T1 प्लस T2 कर देना, सॉल्व कर देना बाय टेकिंग LCM. And total distance is your 30 plus 30, how much, 60, and the formula for average speed is your total distance upon total time. तो 60 upon, after adding total time you will get 9/4, और ये आपका जो 4 है ये ऊपर चल जाएगा, राइट, और इसको सॉल्व करना, you will get answer 26.67. right. Again, next question. A train travels 60 km in 0.52 hours, 30 km per hour. speed is given, right? 30 kilometer per hour in next, right? और next 70 kilometer per hour in right. What is average speed? Distance formula कितना है? Speed into time. Distance of AB, you can see the diagram is here. They have, right, a diagram is given. A B C D. Distance of AB निकाल दिया. AB distance, the distance of AB will be speed into time. तो स्पीड कितनी है? 60 और टाइम कितना है ये? तो डिस्टेंस आ गया. वैसे BC का निकाल दिया और CD का निकाल दिया. नाउ एडिंग ऑल थ्री डिस्टेंस, टोटल डिस्टेंस एंड टोटल टाइम, टोटल डिस्टेंस एंड टोटल टाइम, यू विल गेट द आंसर. एंड टोटल डिस्टेंस मिल गया, टोटल टाइम मिल गया, राइट, एंड डिवाइडेड बाय यू विल गेट एवरेज स्पीड. नाउ वेट ऑफ अ बॉडी. द वेट ऑफ अ बॉडी on the earth is equal to force of a body which the earth attract toward itself, right? Weight का formula क्या होता है? Weight is equal to m into g, mass, and the g is here the force of gravity which earth has, and the earth the gravity की वैल्यू कितनी है? 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, right? And weight is a vector quantity and weight is measured by using spring balance. And one more thing, the value of g at the poles is higher. poles में, poles आपने पढ़ा हुआ है सिस्टम में, राइट? टॉप में पोल्स होते हैं और बीच में आपका इक्वेटर होता है. पोल्स में हायर और इक्वेटर में देन इक्वेटर में आपका जीरो होगा. यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स, यूनिट ऑफ वेट इज न्यूटन. इट इज वेट आपका एक फोर्स है और फोर्स की यूनिट क्या होती है? न्यूटन होती है, राइट? अब वी कैन ऑल्सो से 1 न्यूटन इज इक्वल टू kg वेट के बराबर होता है. किलोग्राम वेट इज इक्वल टू, और ये ग्राम वेट आर द ग्रेविटेशनल यूनिट ऑफ वेट. नाउ डिफरेंस बिटवीन वेट एंड मास. द अमाउंट ऑफ मैटर इन अ बॉडी इज कॉल्ड मास एंड द फोर्स विद बाय विच अर्थ अट्रैक्ट टुवर्ड इटसेल्फ इज कॉल्ड वेट. मास कभी जीरो नहीं होता, वेट कुड बी जीरो. मैंने बताया इक्वेटर में आपका वेट जीरो हो जाता है. SI यूनिट ऑफ मास इज kg, SI यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स इज न्यूटन. मास स्केलर क्वांटिटी है, वेट वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है. मास इज मेजर बाय बीम बैलेंस, तराजू से, और इसको स्प्रिंग बैलेंस होता है आपका. एंड मास ऑलवेज रिमेन सेम. मास कभी चेंज नहीं होता, आप कहीं भी जाओ, एनीवेयर, बट द वेट चेंजेस, राइट? यू कैन सी राइट नाउ, अगर आपका वेट यहाँ 60 kg है तो मून में आपका वेट कम होगा, क्यों? मून की ग्रेविटी आपकी अर्थ की ग्रेविटी कितने 1/6 होती है. Right, this is all. We will do question answer.